it's Laura with your latest tech update. In case you haven't heard, Microsoft's increasing its subscription prices for Microsoft 365 in March. It's the first big price rise for a decade, and you can expect to pay around 20 to 40% more. Microsoft's also changing the way it sells 365. From March, you can commit to a 12-month agreement. This locks your current pricing for a year, but you'll lose flexibility. During your contract, you can increase the number of licenses you use, but you can't decrease them. You also won't be able to move your Microsoft licensing to another IT support company. The other option then is to have a monthly rolling contract. You can add or remove licenses as needed, but the price will be higher. If you want to talk through which option's going to be best for you, call us. That's your tech update. More next week.